I'm gonna show you how to add friends on your Nintendo Switch and actually play with them. All you have to do is go to Ubisoft official website, then go to friends, as you can see here, and then you can press on add friends. You can find on other networks by choosing any of them, but yeah, you can search their name here and then type it, and then you can join them without having any issue. I'm gonna show you how I joined my friend on Switch, so keep watching. So I'm on Nintendo right now. If you see, go to Ubisoft Connect, wait a few seconds. You can't add or do anything, so all you have to do is back out now. Yeah, I'm sure. Now go to invite, and as you can see, you can play. Wait, as you can see, you can play with your friends, cross-platform friends. Press on invite, let your friend accept it, and here you have it. This is my account and this is my brother's account. He's on Switch and I'm on PC right now. So all you have to do now is play with your friend, quick match. Now all you have to do is wait and play. So we are in game. This is a 100% legit method, and that's how we play. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe with the bell on, and see you next one. Bye bye.